Hello, welcome my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to use polar array in AutoCAD. Right, you think you want to draw this type of object. This object is maximum circle is radius is 20. Small circle radius is 5. Then we will see how to draw this type of object using polar array. Right, you go circle, then you go circle and draw 20 radius circle. Right. Then you draw 5 radius in behind the circle. 5 radius circle. Right. Then you can move this small circle to this. Then you have to choose polar array for this drawings. Right. Then you go polar array. This is a polar array. Select this and select your this small circle and right clicking. After you selecting this center, this is a center and click. Then you can see automatically get the small circle around big circle. Right. Then you can see this type of selection. You can change it. We have to draw this object. No, this object have 10 small circles. That's why we choose items. Item is 10 and enter. Then you can see automatically draw this object and you can close and after you should want trim unnecessary parts. Right. This select and go home and choose export. Then you can see this object is export. After you can trim unnecessary parts and unnecessary parts. Then we will see this measurement is right or wrong. Okay, you go annotate and select dimension and get radius. Select small object and radius is 5. This object radius is 5. Right. Okay. Then we will see big object radius. Radius is 20. This object radius is 20. Then you can see how to use polar array in AutoCAD. Right. Thank you very much for joining with me.